Healthy Forever presents Lose Weight in 2 Weeks with this 15 Simple Tricks. Losing weight is a struggle for most of us. Trust me, I have been there. But sometimes people need to shed all that excess fat in a hurry. So here are 15 simple tricks that anyone can do that will help you lose weight in 2 weeks. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips and smash the like button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Drink coffee that's unsweetened. Coffee is actually one of the healthiest things you could possibly drink. You just need to avoid adding sugar to it. For those that want to lose weight quickly, coffee is a great go-to drink. This is because it has been shown to boost people's metabolism by up to 11%. Drink water. Staying hydrated with water may sound simple, but so many people avoid water like it's some sort of plague. Just 1/2 of a liter can increase the calories you burn within the next hour from working out by up to 30%. Don't underestimate the power of water. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a popular way of quickly losing weight. It revolves around sticking to a strict eating pattern, which means you only eat during some times and not during others. The most popular method of intermittent fasting involves eating normally 5 days out of the week and then restricting yourself to 500-600 calories for 2 days. Try it out and see if it works for your body. Cut down on the carbs. Carbs are one of the enemies of quick weight loss. Numerous studies have shown that a diet low in carbs can help someone lose weight 3 times as fast as they would on a low-fat diet. Eat more lean protein. Lean protein is incredibly important for losing weight quickly as it drastically increases your metabolism, and metabolism is a good friend to have during a bout with weight loss, trust me. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods are the bane of a person's existence when they are trying to lose weight. If your goal is to lose weight as quickly as possible, aim for foods that are not processed, like vegetables and fruits. The problem with processed foods is that they are created with sugars and other ingredients to keep you coming back for more. And it usually takes a lot of processed food to give you that full feeling that prevents you from eating more. Avoid junk foods. For the sake of all things weight loss, please do not splurge out on junk foods. This includes all sorts of candies, chocolate, and sugary ice cream. This may seem rather sad to hear, but with a small amount of research, you can find items that are much healthier than candy and still satisfy your sweet tooth. Eat whole foods. The best thing you could do, diet-wise, is stock up on whole foods. Whole foods, such as vegetables, whole grains, and fruits, are stocked full of healthy nutrients that provide you with not only quick weight loss, but also a healthy heart and body. Reduce the amount of calories you eat. The method that everyone hates, calorie counting. As much as people hate to do it, it has been proven to work time and time again. It is actually one of the simplest steps to take on a weight loss journey. Just focus on foods with lower calories and see where it gets you. Spoiler alert, you'll end up meeting your weight goal, I promise. Eat lots of fiber. Fiber is something that many people look past when it comes to weight loss. Good, soluble fibers do more than just regulate your colon. They actually have a neat ability to make your stomach enlarge and make you feel more full after fewer meals. Getting good sleep. What if I told you that you could lose weight by just getting a good night's sleep? You'd probably think I was pranking you. But studies continue to show that people who don't get enough sleep have about a 55% greater chance of becoming obese. So do not miss out on your sleep. It's important. Go for runs. Running a mile or 2 does fantastic things for your heart, mental health, and ability to lose weight. A good run around the street or in your backyard for just 10 minutes can burn lots of calories. Losing lots of calories by doing something for 10 minutes sounds pretty amazing to me, so I definitely recommend it. Manage stress. When people are stressed out, their bodies produce a chemical called cortisol. When people are stressed for extended periods of time, this chemical can cause them to become hungrier and lead to higher calorie intake. As crazy as it may sound, becoming more relaxed does actually help you lose weight. Eat more vegetables and fruits. This is a pretty obvious tip for losing weight in 2 weeks, but so many people glance over it. Eat your fruits and vegetables, folks. And this isn't coming from your grandparents, for once. The nutrients that vegetables and fruits contain are close to infinite. Vegetables and fruits are high in water and fiber, so a diet jam-packed with them is fantastic for speedy weight loss. Take a probiotic. And lastly, invest in a probiotic. They are incredibly inexpensive and always in stock at your local pharmacy or grocery store. Probiotics promote good digestive health and have been shown to help with weight loss. There are actually studies that are ongoing that may show obese people have different bacteria in their colons than skinny people. If this turns out to be true, people who weigh more can invest in some probiotics to help with weight loss. Conclusion: there are tons of ways to lose weight in 2 weeks. If you do any one of these 15 methods that I have talked about, you're going to shed pounds upon pounds. Give some of these tricks a shot and get back to me with your results. I hope to see you again. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below, and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.